Okay, try this again. On your system, I hope you can see my mouse pointer moving around. On your system, you probably won't be able to do it like an automated install by double clicking. It's possible. You can go to wx2image.com and download the .deb file, and this is what it'll look like. You know, right there, the second one from the bottom. It says over to the right in the type column, it says Debian package. And so what you're going to do is you're going to go into your terminal. Let me reset it. Now you're going to go into your terminal and you're going to want to change directory into the downloads folder. You don't have to, but it just makes it easier. So you go CD space shift squiggly / downloads and then hit enter, and you'll see that everything behind the money sign is the prompt. So you can see that it's the downloads is behind the money sign, so that means we're in the money. We're in the downloads folder. So you can type LS Lima Sierra and hit enter, and it will show you all the folders and all the files that are in there. Okay, so we can see that the .deb is there, and we can right click on that and hit copy, or we can just highlight it by double clicking on it, hit Control Shift V. I'm sorry, Control Shift C, and then we can come down here. Let's reset so we don't make it too confusing. We're going to type, you're going to just type all this without the sudo. I'm going to type sudo because that gives me administrative privileges on my system, and I'll have to type usually I'll have to type a password, but probably not today. And you'll be typing dpkg space -i, which is Debian package -i means install. And then you're going to go right click paste, or you're going to go Control Shift V, and you're going to hit enter, and it will unpack it and set it up, process it, bam, it's done. Now we can go, if you wanted to use the terminal version, you just type wx2image, but since we're not going to want to use the terminal version at this time, we're going to go wx2image, and that gives you the graphical. Another way to give you the graphical is to go wx2image -G. And that's it. Now if you run it from this window, from the terminal, you will have to leave that terminal window open. If you close that terminal window, it will terminate the program. So let's go wx2image. We'll hit enter, and it runs the program. We'll let it open up. See, I'm leaving this program, the terminal window open, and you can see that the wx2image window is open. Now if you close this window, it closes the other one. So you have to an easy way to get around that way you don't have this version. But anyway, the next video I will show, that's installing. The next video I will show you how to put that command, the run command, in your menu, because it's not over here. WX, see, there's no WX to. I'll show you how to put that run command in there, so you can just go over here to your menu and click it and find it and click on it. Alright.